Everything.
Ants, cockroaches, insects.
Yeah, everything, you know.
Pack it in that hole.
Yeah. So put it right there.
There's a lot of bees flying around you.
Yeah. Coming in down, you know.
It's like a million bees. He was over there spraying that stuff. It's like a
And
million
he
bees.
gonna come out the front. He gonna get stung.
I get stung. I get serumed up.
They all in your face.
Look.
Them motherfuckers all around you.
Man, Mike, you say that? They gonna sting you.
I know, look at the big ones. The big ones that was there.
The hornets.
Yeah, the black one, the yellow one.
Yeah.
That was bad. The big one. I know there's got a lot of tunnel gun, man.
Jeez, a lot of them.
Yeah. I
don't know. You probably have to do
No,
something.
it's no buy you, man. I told you it's no buy. I don't know what kind of beef that one.
It's white ones flying too. You see the white ones?
Yeah.
Look, like that one, white one.
Put a paddle.
Oh, pat on.
Yeah.
Man, there's so many bees. Y'all ain't got no bleach? I'll put some bleach on them.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, but that was, look, coming in fucking over there.
Cause that ain't killing them. They still flying.
No, look.
You standing out. I can't go up that close. There's bees all around you.
You get stung, Michael.
No, my dreads on my neck. Thought it was a bee. Yeah.
Don't fall down them stairs while you playing.
No, ain't nobody. I don't. There's a lot of tournament guys, man. Look.
It's too many. It's too many. I can't go that close.
Michael, come on.